Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
Terrorist state are planning to conduct the election in 2023. Biafra people are preparing to exit Nigeria. And the exiting Nigeria will start from stopping Nigeria election in Biafra territory. So we are going to fight to make sure nobody will vote in Biafra land. So we are taking our own destiny into our own hand. We are taking our future into our own hand. And in 2023, after we successfully stop the Nigeria from conducting election in Biafra land, the door will be open. It is going to be either the exit of Biafra in peace, or Biafra will engage the Nigeria state in guerrilla warfare. It is going to last for a while. We are ready, and we have decided to leave Nigeria, and it will start immediately we have successfully stopped the election. The only election that will be allowed in Biafra territory, according to the resolve of the Biafra people, is only the referendum. That is going to be two options. One is peaceful exit, which will give room and create room for referendum, or the war option, which is we are going to decide how the guerrilla warfare against the Nigeria state will start. And let me tell you, we have gone this road before. This is not the first time. This is not even the second time. The war against the Biafra people have not ended. This war started as far back as 1945. And I'm happy to announce to Biafra people that by next year, 2023, we're going to end this war once and for all. And whatever differences we have within, we are going to sort them out immediately. Biafra is restored as a nation. Thank you. This evening, I will be explaining in details, how the no election in Biafra land will facilitate Biafra restoration next year. Thank you, and be part of that program.
You people, I have seen more than 3 videos or 4 where people come there and tell you, hey, we don't want election in 2023. Why are you gathering here? What they do is chase the people away. And it's not going to be funny when during the election, when your children, your brother, the government is going to tell you they can't do nothing. They're not going to do nothing. Let me tell you, Nigerian army is very weak right now. You feel me? Nigerian army is very weak. As I speak to you, Nigerian army is very, very weak. Nigerian army is very weak. They don't have men in Nigerian army. You feel me? And many of them are even resigning. I'm telling you the truth. The Nigerian government cannot come and tell you people are resigning from soldier. No, they are weak. They are just sending the people to go and die. And I'm going to use this opportunity to tell anyone who is a Biafran soldier, you should be careful. They shouldn't, when the government are sending you to go and kill your own brothers. My brother, listen, what they know or what you know, other people have known it. Yes, I don't know how to explain to you this. People are ready to fight to get Biafran by fire, by force. You feel me? So it's just an advice that I'm giving. If my brother decides to go and vote and he sees what he sees, I'm sorry. I will just cry for nothing. You feel me? And I've been sending them message to be careful and don't interfere in elections. Sit down. You feel me? My brother, the Nigerian politics is just double dirty games, I'm just trying to advise. I'm not here to make trouble or to come and make you angry. People are ready to die. People are ready. When I say people are ready to die, they insist, and we insist, that there will be no election 2023 election, presidential election, we prefer freedom. You feel me? We actually want the freedom. It's easy for us. Freedom is the actual reason why we are here. We are not here for after 4 years another president will come. After 8 years we come to do another rally. You know what I mean? This is a waste of time. We actually need the main freedom. I mean, if Biafra can have their freedom today and we cannot confront United British in the treaties they are signing in our oil, no, we have to sit down and reschedule. We have to sit down. We are not going to say that we don't need you. You understand? Things have to change. The reason why Africa is not moving forward is because the people who are in charge, they are more stupid than ever. They are more stupid than ever. But in the eyes of all of you that are glamoring for presidency, you don't see all those things that they are more stupid. They have to go and bow to Queen Elizabeth. You know, you understand? When they become president, even before they become president, they have always been there. Tinubu is there. Well, only God knows what he's doing there. Atiku, everybody wants to go to bow to the imperialists and the colonial masters before they, to endorse them to become a president. You know what I mean? So this is kind of difficult for us Africans. You understand? I've been doing video. I've been telling you guys we are not free. Whether you are from Rwanda, whether you are from Kenya, whether you are from Ivory Coast, whether you are from wherever you come from in Africa, we have not been free. Just point me one African country that's actually doing well. They are not doing well. The South Africa we are talking about, there's no job. South African women, their eyes is opening. They are traveling all the way out of the country. Only the men of South Africa are still stupid. I'm sorry to use that word. South African men, some of the South African men are still uncivilized. Let me use uncivilized, because if they are civilized, they will know that anyway, let me go to the other side of the world to go and hustle. But because they are wicked in mind, some of them are wicked in mind, so they think that when you go to the other side of the world, they are going to kill you. I have engaged with South African men, and they tell you, what am I going to do there? They are going to kill me. Because the way they behave in South Africa, they think other people behave the same way. You feel me? So that is not freedom, because there's no job in South Africa. There's no job. Even the graduates are not getting job. You know what I mean? So we don't even know how to create a job. Give South African to the Boer today. I swear to God, give South African white Boer the presidency today. They are going to change things around. Their counterparts in Europe are going to come and invest, because they know it's white that is there. But once the power is in the hand of a black man, they don't even know what to do. We are just going back and forth, going back and forth, going back and forth. After 6 years, after 4 years, and after 8 years, somebody else will come and take over, and we start all over again. It's not making sense, you know. Africa is not making sense. Biafra we will get our freedom, and then we lead the space. The pace, we're gonna lead the pace. Man, today is bicycle day. Wow, today is bicycle day. The few cars that are passing now have to be careful, because the children are riding on the streets. You feel me? The children are free to ride on the street, no robot. Whether the robot is working, the traffic light is working or not, the children have to, let me just show you. Today is their day, you see? You see their children there? So they are waiting for the traffic light, because few cars are still passing around, you know. Look at the guy I gave money the other time. You see him? He's still around here. He's looking for drugs. Anyway, so, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in Biafra land, no election in 2023. 2023, yeah. So please, people really mean it. So the government are going to deceive you. Soludo is going to deceive you. Anambra State governor is going to deceive you. David Umahi, all these governors are going to deceive you. They are men waiting to die for you and I. They are men who are ready to, they are armed. There's no way. Let me tell you now, we have moved to from agitating to guerrilla war. You understand? Now is what they call Wotowoto. You understand? When you go all over social media, you are going to see Wotowoto. A lot of things are happening that you are not seeing. When it's happened, we will see them, but you are not going to see it on social media. There are videos you are going to see, you are going to cry for yourself. If you are in Biafra land, you see those videos, you no go come out, come vote. You no go gathering. You are not going to go gathering. We don't have problem with you, the civilians. We have problem with the Nigerian government and their soldiers who has been killing our people. They have been going, even now, they are still killing the young Biafrans. They go to the community, they kidnap, they kill, just because you call yourself Biafra. I see some Biafran very ignorant. All of a sudden, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu has been there. Everybody is talking about Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. When they kidnap Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, they just turn off and like, no, let us go for Peter Obi. When Peter Obi comes, he's going to release Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. Let us have Igbo presidency. Who the presidency help? Who Igbo presidency help? The man who got you independent, Nnamdi Azikiwe, did he actually help you? No. You feel me? Whether Igbo presidency, whether Christian presidency, whether Islamic presidency, whether the Northern presidency, it doesn't help. Even the Northern people of Nigeria are suffering. I'm telling you, those people are just stealing money and they are just buying. They are buying homes abroad, not only in Britain, not even in Europe. They are going to Highland. There are some Highland they are going now to buy citizenship. You feel me? All of you in Nigeria that are roaming the street and doing rallies, you don't know what is coming. Freedom is the only solution. I may not be sounding like a lecturer to you. I may not be sounding like a professor, but just take what comes out of my lip. A lot of things are happening that you guys cannot see. You can see it on YouTube. You can see it on Facebook. You can only see it in the secret. And somebody like me, I come to tell you the truth. You feel me? We've seen a lot of, sometimes you see what the Nigerian government are doing to our Biafrans. You can see them. We see those things. When it happened, we see them. They are killing a lot of youth for nothing. Who are the cause of this thing? The British. The British are supporting the Nigerian, our southeast governors to do, like, you don't have to let them have this Biafra. No, they don't have to have this Biafra. Not because they care for us, they care for the oil, our resources. That is what they care for. If they care for you, why should you go to Britain? You go to England for what we called refugee. Like, oh, please, I'm here because we have problem in Nigeria. They send you back to another African country. And this is barbaric. There's no love. This is not love. The love that we're getting from the British is not actual love. Seriously, I mean it. You want to go to Britain, you have to spend over 200,000 for just for all they care is you have to pay money. You pay money for logistics. Everything goes to almost 200,000. For what? For what?
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.